Hello guys. Hello again. So for today's vlog, I'm here at my farmhouse. So for today's vlog, I'm going to plant my coconut from Valencia, from PCE Valencia. From PCE coconut, but I planted it in Valencia. So now I'm going to plant my coconut. So here I'm digging under here, and I have some new, that's no fruit yet, and these two left from the typhoon Odit. So it's grassy again. So all the trees here, the mango trees, coconut, are all uprooted. So I'm planting new. So in 5 years time, I'm going to have coconut again. So I'll show you around here my plants, my place, my mangoes and everything. So I'll show you the other side.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you! So that's my Santol Bangkok. Naupo siya from the typhoon. And here we have the very short mango trees now because it was uprooted by the Udet. But we have 4 behind and 1 across the rice paddy. So as you see, they are flowering now. So I think they are sprayed by the friend of mine. And look at my coconut, it's time to harvest again here in the platform. So the other mango there's also fruit. So it's time to mow the grass again before a snake will hide it. I'm going to plant coconut, guys. Here, this is Kalibunan, guys. I hope there's no snake here. I'll plant coconut. I have haha. So hello again, guys. So this is the way I plant the coconut. I make a big hole and I plant it a little bit deeper so that when there is a typhoon it will not be uprooted. So you will not see it because it's grassy there. So it's 3 lines here, and there's another one here and behind this grass, all the way like that. So I have a lot of coconut, guys. The lucky that my coconut has really a lot of fruits. I'm back again, guys. So this is the rear of my house. My mangoes are dwarfed now because it was all cut by the typhoon Odit. Also this one is cut by typhoon Odit. But luckily, guys, there is already some flowers. Now I cannot see clearly because it's so cloudy. Oh, see. And there in the rear also, behind the rice paddies. So here, this one is done. Painting inside, and the other. My mangoes are already having fruits also there in the rear. Wow, thank you sa nag-spray ani pagumangkon siguro ng diga. So I have some bananas there. There's a lot of grass here. I will tell my brother to spray like this one, make it rot for a few times, for a few weeks, few days, instead of mowering it. Hi Miming, you're going with me? Nahuman na og paint ni Susan, so thank you. Okay, this is my farmhouse store. It's not been repaired yet. Oh, I like the malunggay trees. Oh, look at the malunggay trees, very tambok. I like it with sinabaw. Oh, I will get malunggay because I want to mix soup the I wait. Hello. So guys, I'm going to get a malunggay because I'm full with the baboy in the fiesta. So I will mix some soup. Tambo kayo ang iyang malunggay, guys. And there is no spray and there is no dust from the road. And I will put it in the fridge in Valencia. There is 2, and I have also limoncito. Oh, I will see if I have limoncito. Yes, I have. I have to climb up. Oh, see? I have limoncito. My farm is rich in plants because I plant it before. Before, I have so many plants. I have pomelo, I have guava, I have tambis, I have jackfruit, so many plants, but this is what is left. Agoy! Dagko ra ba kayo, guys, oh? Oh, I will show you, oh. Dagko kayo siya, guys. This one. Thank you for watching. I have my malunggay. Again, so I'm here at my tree. This is my farm fruits. This is organic limoncito. And there, oh, look at this one, oh guys, oh. I don't know if you see it. It's so big. So, sige kong palit dito sa merkado, guys. Oh, I will show you the other side. Oh, I'll zoom in. So big jud ang mga limoncito, guys. Oh, very big limoncito. This is my limoncito here. Kind of that. And diri ko nanguha og malunggay ni Day Susan. Kay lami kayang iyang malunggay diri tambo kaayo niya. Why spray, why abog sa bus. So nakadala na kog limoncito kay I will clean up my hands because I was planting the lubi. I will be back. I will plant the other lubi. So this is, by the way, this is my house and this is my farmhouse 25 years ago. So I have my malunggay fresh from the tree, oh, that's 2 trees, and I have limoncito. So I'm going to make fish soup because I'm bored with the baboy. Me again here. I would like to say thank you again for staying on my live and on my video for today's vlog sa akong farmhouse. Nagplant ko sa akong mga lubi, nagkuhan ko sa akong mga cats, and nagkuhan akong mga fruits and this, and the other side of my shop also is I have guava and I have papaya. So there's so much you can have if you really plant it. And then after planting, there is nothing to do but wait and have fruits. So don't be tapulan because if you are tapulan, wala gyud kay maani. So mao na maingon sila daghan na kwarta, daghan pa jud tanom. Siyempre, ako'y kwarta pero daghan og tanom, charot. Diba, ang uban bitaw nga mga kwartahan na ba, mga daghan na tay mga extra. Daghan pa jud mga tanom, magana nung uban daghang yuta way tanom. So sige pa reklamo nga wa ko nay kwarta, siyempre. Wa man magtanom. And this is my gate, is newly painted. Thank you, Day Susan. Oh, this is my present cell. Oh, dami tanawon na. The house in white and the fence in white. Thank you, Day Susan, Noel, and mga anak ni Day Susan. Nindot ang gate. Oh, I'm going to plant now, guys. I just put my cell phone there on the fence. To plant my coconut. One coconut is done. Kapoy ning maning kakay, guys. Ang uban relax lang. Bilbil na ko, guys. Ako ang baboy today. So once again, salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa ako ang live o sa akong mga videos here. So this is my farm bill activity today. So it's Monday, no work. Nanagkontra ko dito sa fiesta. Tomorrow, back to work. See you. Amping, careful mong tanan. Bye-bye.